Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta mini haul. Look at this little tiny bag. It's chock full of things that I needed and wanted to try out. So if y'all want to see all the goodies that I got, just keep watching. Okay, so I actually went into Ulta because I wanted to try these new MAC minis. They are limited edition, but they're scented. I got the one cucumber flavored and I got the pineapple flavor. I think they have white tea, watermelon, and a peony flavor. And I tried them all, and these two were actually my favorite. I went in there thinking that I would get the watermelon because everybody that knows me knows how much I love watermelon. So, but I thought I would end up getting the watermelon scent, but I actually thought that these two smelled the best. And actually the pineapple one is my favorite. So, let's just go ahead and give it a miss. Oh, it smells so good and refreshing. These actually retailed for $16. And like I said, they are limited edition. And it's a 1.0 fluid ounces. So, there's not a whole lot in here. And I'm sure I'll go through them pretty quick. But maybe, hopefully, possibly, MAC could make these into permanent. That'd be great. But we'll see how that goes. Because when they came out with the lavender, the rose, and the coconut one, I think that those were limited edition also when they first came out. But they are now, I don't know if they're permanent, but they've been available for a while. So like I said, I went in there for these and I ended up with several more items. If any of you have purchased any of these or have tried them and like them, leave me a comment below and tell me which of the scents that you like the best. Maybe I'll try those next time. So I'm not sure how long they'll stick around. I hope that they're around at least until the end of the summer. So we'll see. The next thing I got at Ulta was this Tangle Teezer, which is of course still in the package. I got one of these because the woman that does my hair, she always, after she washes and conditions my hair, and she uses it wet, and it just never pulls. I love this iridescent kind of, ooh, ASMR, anybody? All right. So it's just this little guy. It's like little silicone, maybe, I don't know, little rubbery bristles, and they just go through your hair so easily. And of course this, I would probably use it wet. They had this up front, you know, if you go into Ulta, they have that little section up front where it's like on sale or it's mini sized, and this was priced at $16, but it was 50% off. So this little guy was $8. Lay down. Alright, the next thing that I picked up was also a purchase that was up by the register. It's just something that I need, and it is this Beauty Blender Solid. And this is just, you can use this to clean your beauty blenders or any makeup sponge, and also your brushes. Well, I was going to try to open it, but of course they got a sticker out on the seal, which I guess is good. Never know. People might open it up and lick it like they would, you know, ice cream. What the hell is up with that trend? Oh my Jesus. Okay, so finally I got the sticker open, and it's just got like a little soap thing here. And then that little guy on top of it, I guess, protects the... I actually don't know what the hell that's for. Does anybody use this? Do you know what that is for? It's got little holes in it, so maybe it's to... I don't know. Anyway, got this for my brushes and my makeup sponge. I don't know where my receipt is. Okay, and the next thing that I got was this Morphe Beauty Sponge. I got it because the edge of it and the flat side looks real interesting, kind of like the Real Techniques sponge. Why don't you wanna open up? Let me in. You know, smart people doing these videos would probably have like a box cutter or a knife nearby so you could open stuff. Clearly, I did not prepare for this. Okay, so here is the sponge out of the package. It's completely dry, so I'm sure that, you know, when you wet it, it's going to... You know what? What I was fixing to say was not going to be appropriate. Alright, so here it is out of its little package. And I think that this right here is going to be great for under eye area. So, and it looks small, but you guys all know that these makeup sponges get like 3 times bigger than what they actually are when they're wet. Okay, the next thing that I got at Ulta is something that I've wanted to try for a while. I've been using the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation, and I like it just fine. But I've been wanting to try the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. I don't know if you guys watch Candy Johnson, but she's a wonderful makeup artist, and she's just so beautiful. She really loves this foundation. She likes it so well, and she knows what she's talking about that, you know, maybe I should try it. And of course I got the lightest shade, but it comes with this doe foot applicator. It's just really big. That's what she said. So I'm hoping to give this a shot soon and see how I like it. I think this is actually the lightest shade you can get. And it looks, well, it almost looks too light for me, but I also have bronzer on and blush, so we'll see. And since I got the foundation, I thought I might as well go ahead and get the translucent powder, which is also Clinique. Okay, this is what the package looks like. Very sleek, silver lid, clear packaging. Let's see. It's in the number 20 Invisible Blend. So, it's just a translucent powder. It's got a sticker over there. Alright, that was easy. So, that's kind of what it looks like. I don't know. Go ahead and just put some on. I don't know how much this retailed for. If y'all go on Ulta.com or Clinique, or, you know, y'all can find it. Okay, one more thing that I got at Ulta was actually something else that I'm going to be running out of pretty soon. These are Tarte Shape Tapes. These are the 3 that I have, and as you can see, they're really starting to get low. So I went ahead and got a new shade, which looks like this. I'm not sure. I've got Fair Beige. I've got Light Sand, which is almost a little bit too dark. And I have Fair Neutral. So I mix all those together and I get the perfect shade. So this one is just fair. And I've already got makeup on, so obviously I can't. But that looks like a good shade for me because I'm very pasty. I love this concealer. I actually want to try the Jeffree Star concealers, but all of the shades that I could possibly wear are sold out right now. I don't know when he's going to do a restock, but I do want to try. The last thing that I got at Ulta today is this Mario Badescu Witch Hazel and Rose Water Toner. I don't remember which video I watched or whose video I watched, but they were talking about this as being a good toner. And I'm not a big toner person. I used to use Clinique's clarifying lotion. But as I've gotten older, it started to kind of irritate my skin more than it was making it feel refreshed and extra clean, which is what I think a toner should make your skin feel. I've always liked Witch Hazel, and so I'm going to try this out and see. He did have a few other things there that I wanted to try that has like aloe in it. I'm a big aloe fan. So I've never tried this. I will let you guys know how I like it. My skincare routine, it varies. So anyway, after I use the micellar water to take the first layer of makeup off, I then use face wash. And I either use my CeraVe face wash or I use Glam Glow face wash that I got in a BoxyCharm. I actually really like it. And then after that, I usually just moisturize, or if I have like some exfoliating or anything like that to do. So I'm hoping that I can add this in between washing and moisturizing and just see how my skin likes it. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you like it. I love haul videos, and this is just a mini haul, even though it wasn't mini to my wallet. Whatever. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below any recommendations that you guys have gotten in Ulta or Sephora that you think I should try. And also let me know if you've used any of these products that I have mentioned in today's videos, and let me know if you like them or not. Oh yes, so refreshing. Anyway, love you guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Watermelon, because